another beautiful and bright day here in Batumi, and today I'm doing a little walk tour here in Europe Square of Batumi. This is the area that's very highly influenced by the European architecture, and there's a lot of cafes, restaurants and all of that. So let's take a look at the place, spend the day with me. As you can see, guys, these buildings here are so European style, and yeah, right now I'm walking towards the center of the Europe Square. This is like a sitting area for restaurants around here. Wow, this place is so beautiful actually. So this is a very famous sculpture of Batumi, very popular area, but yeah. This is the most popular spot and it's a landmark of Batumi. It's called the Medea Monument. This area is so beautiful. I think it's decent in the afternoons, but it gets quite crowded in the evenings when people are out and about. It's probably going to be a lot busier later in the evening. So yeah. So let's walk around a little bit and see the area. Then I have to find a restaurant to sit and eat, guys. I'm starving. This building in front of me is one of my favorite buildings here. So this sculpture represents a Georgian politician, writer and public benefactor. Yeah. And this is my favorite building, guys. As you can see up there, there's like two sculptures. There's also a clock. There are two sculptures of naked men. So crazy. But I love it because it's beautiful. I love the architecture. The structure is absolutely stunning. This area is very quiet. This is where you can find some shops for your clothes, your shoes and stuff. But yeah, this is Europe Square. I was here with my friends the other time, Winery Caraba. But I'm just gonna walk a little bit more while I'm still looking for a restaurant as well. And I think I'm going to end up in the old side of Batumi. Actually, this is the old side of Batumi, but there is the most popular spot of old Batumi. Yeah, definitely in old Batumi, 'Batumi, narrow roads, many cafes and restaurants. 'Batumi, 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 '
wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. Ooh, wanna come alive. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive.
Okay guys, I am now back at the center of the Europe Square. I had passed one restaurant that I want to try out, so let's go to Copacabana. And yeah, I just love how it looks from outside. Let's go inside and check it out. Inside, it's a really beautiful and very cozy space, and I just love it so much. The interior is amazing, and also I love this window that is open wide. You can see people walking from the inside and, you know, enjoy the fresh air coming in. So I took a seat next to this window. I just love it so much. It's very cozy in here. I love the ambience. It's good. I'm going to have lemonade, and this one is orange flavored lemonade. It's really good, but of course you can taste a bit of sourness to it. And I ordered some steamed dumplings. These are pork dumplings. This looks so yummy. However, in the menu they're called pork gyoza. I hope I'm spelling this right, pork gyoza, and they are served on a bed of seaweed, so you can definitely perceive that fishy aroma, and also it's garnished with green onion and some seeds. These are paired with soy sauce for that extra and very, very tangy taste. I love these so much. They're very yummy. They're very soft. The dough is soft, and the taste of pork is very nice. Very, very tender and very flavorful. I think it's also got some herbs in there, so it's really, really delicious. I'm enjoying it, and also the dip in the soy sauce makes it even better. It tastes really nice, guys. Absolutely love it. This is like a starter. I didn't know this restaurant is like a sushi bar, so their menu is mainly of starters. So if you want sushi, or you want to have the dumplings, or maybe just the light meal, you can always visit this restaurant. So yeah. Now we are on the old Batumi side, guys. And I just want to show you a very cool cinema here. I think it's popular because of the building. Right in front of us here, guys. This is the cinema. It's called Apollo. Many cafes and restaurants here. This is about it for today, my lovelies. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and share my videos with your family and friends, and do make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo